What up, y'all? So we back. Just got finished trying to clear these headlights a little bit. Look a lot better than they looked yesterday. But outside of that, apparently these don't last forever. So I made a video. I guess it was near the end of last year. But I had this almost 2 years. So I guess now it's almost 3 years, 2.5 or so. The light that goes around it doesn't work anymore. So since there's no point in just leaving this beat up, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just paint the whole thing white. That way it won't look so ashy and faded. And of course the headlights still look a little bit yellow with the lens, but way better than what it was earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing up, tape this stuff off, and we're gonna paint this. I thought about wrapping it, but I don't feel like trying to wrap that vinyl all the way around this edge and deal with all of that. So we're just gonna paint it. So here we go. Also, if you didn't know, I still got these things on deck and for sale. So if anybody wants one, let me know. Got them in this, got them in the Chevy sign, got them in the little SS logo or whatever. So yeah, if you want one, let me know something. All right, so just gonna knock this down with some 320. Got this old sanding block. Thought I had some more sanding paper somewhere, but I guess I used it all up. So give y'all some light. But yeah, so light scrub just to kind of get this to even out, like all the chips and everything. So like I said, don't take much, but 320. Not sure if it's the best, but it is my favorite. So almost whatever I'm painting is getting sanded with 320 to start off with. So, you know, if it's not ridiculously bad. But yeah, this was painted about 2 years ago, 2 or 3, something like that, whatever year that was. I linked the original video, but yeah, this was painted a long time ago. So scuff it with some 320 just to get it relatively smooth so the chips don't show up as much. And all right, so yeah, I don't know what happened, but anyway, got this cleaned up, a little bit of alcohol on here. Wipe this alcohol, let it dry so it's nice and clean. Then it's time for tape. Alright, next up, we just cover everything in plastic. So I got plastic on top of all of this. You can get this from Walmart. You can get this from Walmart, like I think it's like $3 for the 3-pack. So we're just gonna cut a slit through this plastic right here. So y'all can, there you go. So yeah, cut a slit through this, open it up, and we just tape around it. So plastic is on, new piece of tape is on, so I can spray. I don't have to worry about overspray getting all on the grill or the bumper, the headlights, none of that. Next up is primer, but I painted this a long time ago, and the white part is already primed, and I don't have primer here, and I'm not going to the store. So using what I got some white paint, Duplicolor engine enamel paint, works pretty good for just about everything. So this is sanded down, it's wiped off clean, alcohol wipes and all of that. So time to spray. I'm like 2 coats in, and I definitely should have sanded a little harder than that 320. So still got some of that stuff in there, but whatever. Step back a little bit. This thing is pure white, and you can't tell me anything different. So drop one more coat of white, and then we're gonna clear it. I got this Rust-Oleum clear coat, so I'm gonna let it dry. We're gonna clear it with that. Take all this tape and plastic off, and we will be done. All right, so fast forward. Clear coat is done. We are good to go. Like I said, that was just some white, so not exactly the same white, but the car is dirty, that's fresh paint, so up close it's gonna look a little different. So once the car is washed and everything, it should match pretty much close to perfect. But like I said, from this angle looks right, but grill still chrome, no overspray. So I'll probably wash this thing later, and we are good to go. Still got these on here. Been a long time. They're holding on pretty good. This was actually painted like a week or two after I bought the car, so that was in 2013. So that paint is holding up real good. Tail lights, had these probably like 4 or 5 years, I think. Maybe longer than that. I don't think I had the vet, so probably like 6, 7 years maybe. But yeah, we're holding on pretty good. So I guess that's it for now, and I will catch y'all later. Like I said, if y'all want one of these, let me know.